guys, welcome back to Yippee Crafts. I'm your creative companion, Yippee. And today we're going to learn how to make a paper fan. Come on! Grab a sheet of paper and some sellotape. Carefully fold a straight line across. Flip the sheet of paper over and fold again like so. Repeat this until the whole page is folded. At the centre point, fold the paper now in half and squeeze at the bottom. Sellotape these two pieces at the top. It can be tricky, so ask a grown-up for help if you need. Pull the fan out at the sides and ta-da! Why not try another, but this time add some art? I'm drawing some doodles and I'm going to colour them in with blue pencil. You could get creative with the design, even try coloured paper. Repeat the same steps as before to create the fan. And there we have it. That looks really good. How did you get on with yours? So guys, that's the end of our Make a Paper Fan with Yippee crafts. But don't worry, we'll be back with more exciting crafts in our next episode. Thank you so much for joining me today, and don't forget, keep crafting, keep exploring, and keep having fun. Bye bye. And if you want more craft ideas, don't forget to subscribe to Yippee Crafts below.